Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel. The ICAI has recently revealed section-wise marks distribution for the Advanced Auditing Assurance and Professional Ethics paper in the recent Success at CA Exams BOS Series 1 webinar. Stay tuned to understand how to prioritize your study and ace the exam. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So totally there are 19 chapters in the subject Advanced Auditing, Assurance and Professional Ethics, which has been grouped into 5 sections. For each of these sections, we'll be seeing which all chapters fall under that section, what is the section-wise weightage, and how much marks has been allocated to each section. Keep a pen and notebook ready to note down the details. So let's get started. So section number 1 comprises of the following chapters. Chapter 1 Quality Control. Chapter 2 General Auditing Principles and Auditors' Responsibilities. Chapter 3 Audit Planning, Strategy and Execution. Chapter 4 Materiality, Risk Assessment and Internal Control. Chapter 5 Audit Evidence. Chapter 6 Completion and Review. Chapter 7 Reporting. Chapter 8 Specialized Areas. Chapter 9 Related Services. Chapter 10 Review of Financial Information. Chapter 11 Prospective Financial Information and Other Assurance Services. So the section wise weightage allocated to section 1 is 45% to 55%. That is, the marks allocated to this is 52 marks to 62 marks. Now coming to section 2, the section 2 comprises of the following chapters. Chapter 12 Digital Auditing and Assurance. The section wise weightage allocated to section 2 is 3% to 6%, and the marks allotted to section 2 is 4 marks to 7 marks. Now coming to section 3. Section 3 comprises of the following chapters. Chapter number 13 Group Audits. Chapter 14 Special Features of Audit of Banks and Non-Banking Financial Companies. Chapter number 15 Overview of Audit of Public Sector Undertakings. Chapter number 16 Internal Audit. Chapter number 17 Due Diligence Investigation and Forensic Accounting. The section wise weightage allocated to section 3 is 17% to 24%, and the marks allotted to section 3 is 20 to 27 marks. Now coming to section number 4. This comprises of chapter number 18 Emerging Areas, Sustainable Development Goals and Environment, Social and Governance Assurance, etc. The section-wise weightage allocated to section 4 is 3% to 6%, and the marks allocated to section 4 is 4 marks to 7 marks. Now coming to the last section, section number 5 comprises of chapter number 19, Professional Ethics and Liability of Auditors. The section-wise weightage allocated to section 5 is 17% to 24%, and the marks allotted to section number 5 is 20 marks to 27 marks. That's all for today's breakdown on the Advanced Auditing, Assurance and Professional Ethics section-wise marks allocation. Now that you know the weightage, plan your revisions accordingly for a smarter and more focused preparation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on CA final preparation. All the best for your exams, and I will see you all in the next video.